And good morning, everybody. As I was driving in this morning, I could see flashes of light out in the distance, and I knew there was a thunderstorm somewhere. Turned out that prior to daybreak, a storm developed here across parts of the Northeast Highlands just outside of Las Vegas. That thing tracked over Wagon Mound. Now you can see it's really nothing more than just a plume of clouds back into southwestern parts of Union County, and that's the only wet weather that we found out there this morning. But we're going to keep an eye on things because the east is still susceptible to a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms before the day is done. 64 degrees outside right now. We do have a little bit of a breeze coming in, but not much of one. North-northwest at about 8 miles per hour out there. And take a look at the temperatures. No doubt about it on the mild side. We're in the 60s most areas of the state, and actually turns out that outside of T or C, and I guess that's because of all the cluster of folks that are hanging around down there near Elephant Butte, Albuquerque is one of the warmest spots in the state. 64 in Albuquerque, but of course T or C just a little bit warmer, 66 right now. Temperature change over the past 24 hours. Most areas about where we were when we started the day on Sunday, although Albuquerque is indeed 10 degrees warmer out there, but not much wind. We were actually anticipating a little bit of a canyon breeze to kind of push through during the overnight hours. Some cool air coming off clusters of thunderstorms from late yesterday out in the eastern part of the state, but that never did come to pass. There's still the possibility that a little breeze could trickle through those mountains, but for the most part, we're going to leave the moisture where it is, and that is limited to the easternmost part of the state, and even by late this afternoon, some of that moisture is going to race its way on into West Texas. But because of moisture, that's the key to thunderstorms. We continue to talk about the ever-present chance for a few showers here or there over the eastern plains. But of course, I think any showers today will be definitely on the spotty side. By late afternoon, it looks like any showers that form will quickly head into Texas as dry air starts to move in and take over. And that means we are definitely in for a nice warm way to wrap up a long holiday weekend. High today, 88 in Farmington, 83 in Gallup, and 85 in Grants. Meanwhile, down in the southwest part of the state, from Glenwood down to Lordsburg and over to T or C and Las Cruces, set to sizzle today with highs in the 90s in all of those locations, and plenty of 90-degree-plus temperatures for the southeast part of the state, although southeast, east central, northeast New Mexico, a chance for scattered thunderstorm late this afternoon, and that will add a little bit to some of the cooling effect out there, although really not much cooling to be had the next few days. 70s and 80s in the mountains, 86 in Santa Fe today. And if you don't get rain today in Santa Fe, you won't see any for a long time to come. It looks like most of the 7-day outlook is nice and dry, nice and warm. Speaking of nice and warm, mid-80s in the East Mountains, upper 80s and low 90s back towards the Albuquerque metro. 89 today, 88 tomorrow and Wednesday, and then it's 90s. They're finally here, and we're actually going to head to the mid-90s by next weekend.